Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a backup camera. First, gather your tools, including a trim removal tool, a small socket wrench, and your new camera. Make sure your vehicle is completely turned off and the parking brake is firmly engaged to ensure your safety throughout the process. The backup camera is usually found mounted in the tailgate, often near the license plate area. Identifying its exact location is your first crucial step. Now let's get to removing the old camera. Using your trim removal tool, gently pry off the interior trim panels on the tailgate to expose the camera's wiring. Be careful not to damage any clips. Once the wiring is visible, locate the electrical connector attached to the camera and carefully disconnect it. Finally, unscrew or unclip the old camera from its mounting bracket, which might involve one or two small screws. With the old camera out, it's time to install your new one. Carefully place the new backup camera into the mounting bracket, ensuring it's seated correctly and securely. Then, reconnect the electrical wiring harness to the new camera, making sure it clicks firmly into place. Before putting everything back together, turn on your vehicle and test the camera's functionality to confirm it's working properly and displaying a clear image. To finish up, carefully reinstall all the interior trim panels you removed, making sure each clip snaps securely back into its original position. Give the new camera lens a quick clean to ensure optimal visibility for your future parking maneuvers. Remember, keeping your camera lens clear will help maintain its performance. Also, don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals we've found for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.